Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to talk about revision and lost moment preparation strategy for ICRJRF examination or any other kind of examination. I am Rakshit and we are starting right now. Please subscribe to the channel and ring that bell icon so that you don't miss any useful videos like this. First step is to get an overview of your preparation. For this, you have to solve two question papers. Don't cheat yourself, solve them honestly and take the syllabus copy and divide them into what you have studied well and what you have not studied well. You can easily classify this because you have already solved the question paper, and this completes the first step for you. Second step is to make a checklist. Take the topics that you have not studied well and prioritize them according to their importance. Here, importance means number of questions that you have encountered while solving the question paper. For example, extension is more important than economics and economics is more important than statistics. You can also compare the topics within the subject also, like macroeconomics is more important than microeconomics, and you can compare the topics of extension with economics also. First, you have to study the topics which are more important than the remaining. Likewise, you have to prepare the checklist. Third step is to prepare a timetable. Fit the topics into your available time. Don't forget to give sufficient time for important topics. Remember that time is scarce like money. You should do factor substitution for optimized production. Fourth step is to identify a study area. You have to find a place where you should do only your studies. You should not sleep there and you should not waste your time. If you study on your bed, that's okay. Make sure that you won't sleep there for the remaining days. You can sleep anywhere else. Fifth step is to study according to the timetable. While studying, you have to prepare a short notes of difficult to remember things so that you can revise them later. Sixth step is to solve the objectives and revise the topics that you have already studied well. While studying the objectives, make sure that you study the options also. For example, take the question, which of the following has the highest biomass in the soil? And the options are fungi, bacteria, etc. You have to know that fungi is the answer for the question, and you should also know that bacteria has the highest population in the soil, not the biomass. While solving the objectives, if you encounter any difficult questions, don't worry about them because there is no much time to worry. Seventh step is to attend the mock exam, not necessarily the paid exams. You can take the old question papers and start to solve them. Attend this exam honestly, don't cheat yourself. You have to feel the real exam environment. Make full utilization of 2 hours. If you finish the exam early, then utilize the time to check your answers. Practice to check your answers in the mock exam so that you can do it in the real exam easily. And the last step is to keep calm and follow these steps. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.